Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to lock an object in the Journal app. Just open the app and choose the document you'd like to work with. And now, as you can see, I can move each object the way I like, although here is a link, but still I can move them. But if we click on one of them and then click on this lock that appears, then after that I can't move this cat from here, so it will stay here forever unless we unlock it. But it can be useful to avoid editing it accidentally, so I hope it will help you as well. Thanks for watching.